put your water right here. Want to get some water? I want to see you crawl. Come here. I want to see you crawl. Then we scoot when we get to the tile. Is that how that works? I just want to make sure I understand. And we're there. For a big refreshing drink. Oh. Okay, I'm going to upload this so everybody can see how good you crawl. Oh, want to spin? Spin for the audience first? Okay, say hi. Or shake your water everywhere. Okay, bye-bye.